Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on painting EPO foam. Many people are afraid to paint their EPO RC planes with acetone based paint, but I did some testing and it turns out that it doesn't matter. Acetone does not do anything to your foam. So first I'll start with a short demonstration. I have two pieces of foam here. This is regular styrofoam and this is EPO foam. This is the trailing edge of an old wing that I had lying around, and I will put some acetone on both of them, show you the difference. First we do the regular styrofoam. Here we go. Now you're thinking I'm not gonna do that to my wing. I am. See, it does absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. No effect. The surface is not even changing. So acetone based paints should work then. And I tried. So here's an example. This is a test wing painted with regular Motip car paint, and this stuff does have acetone in it, so this contains the stuff that foam is not too fond of. Also this is acetone based. I used both of these on my Skywalker X6 and they work just fine. One thing, before you spray paint your EPO, use a polystyrene styropor primer, because otherwise the adhesion won't be as good. So first I tried acrylics. Everybody said do acrylic, paint it with acrylic, but this was not my favorite. It does work, but it doesn't stick as good as it should. And I also did a little test piece on this wing. This is painted with acrylic. Yeah, of course with this acrylic I needed to do it with a brush, and I don't like the brush strokes in the paint job, so I decided to go for car paint. And it's a very common brand, Motip. Every car shop sells this stuff. So that's it. If you have any questions, put them below, and I'll be glad to answer them.